Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to comment on LinkedIn posts. So to do that it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open the app, and after that go and look for the posts that you want to comment in. For example, I will comment on that post. You have just to go, and as you can see there is your picture on the bottom of the post, and next to it there is like icon, and after that there is that comment icon. You have just to click on it, and after that comment to whatever like things that you want to comment, and after that click on comment again. And by the way, you can add pictures to your comment by clicking on the pictures icon, or you can mention someone also in your comment by clicking on the mention icon. And after that click on comment, and voila, your comment is published on LinkedIn. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see